Euhomy Fireplace heater features realistic-looking logs and a flame effect that is enjoyable and soothing as well as warming. The heater is very easy to install and has simple and easy-to-understand buttons, making it convenient to use. Our electric fireplace stove can provide heat while you are reading, talking, or watching television. Because this fireplace is small and light, it is perfect for indoor use, enhancing your decor. It is also very convenient to move. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Temperature adjustment and flame separation. With a 20 inches Euhomy electric fireplace, you can easily adjust the temperature by simply turning a knob. You can also choose to enjoy the flames with or without heating, and use the fireplace as a good decoration when it is not heating. Number 2. Realistic flame effect and logs. The flames effect of the 20 inches fireplace heater is not only very beautiful but also allows you to avoid the dangers of real flames. You can enjoy the wonderful experience and warmth brought by the realistic flame and log effect of this heater by yourself or with friends, co-workers, loved ones, or with your family in your bedroom, study, living room, or anywhere. Number 3. Overheating protection safety function. To ensure your safety, the Euhomy fireplace heater has to overheat protection safety functions. If the temperature of the electric fireplace heater is too high or the heater will automatically shut off. Number 4. Easy to install and suitable for indoor. Euhomy electric fireplace installation is very easy and fast, and because our fireplace is small and light, it's perfect for indoor use and enhances your decor. Number 5. Fireplace door opens. The door on this beautiful electronic fireplace can be open or closed during use, so you can choose whichever you prefer. Number 6. Realistic flame effect with 3D logs. Euhomy electric fireplaces have realistic-looking dancing flames and burning logs. When it's cold, you can turn on the electric fireplace for heating. When it's warm, you can turn off the heating function and use the electric fireplace as a separate flame decoration to save energy and money. Number 7. Low noise and safety protection. Our electric fireplaces have an automatic overheat shutoff function. When you are heating, the electric fireplace is low noise and will not disturb you, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.